I'm excited to show you this. It's something I've not seen before. I've only seen pictures of it, but this is a 19-plate GLC 250 Night Edition with the Auto Vogue Widebody Kit on it. It's also sat on the Auto Vogue AVR Racing 22-inch alloy wheels. Now the Widebody Kit just changes the complete appearance of the vehicle. Never seen it, like it a lot. It's a one-owner car, so let's take a look. Now as you can see, the Widebody Kit, it gets the lower front spoiler, we get the wheel arch extensions, the wheels are in as new order, and they are the AVR wheels, and then the calipers have had the Estoril Blue paint detailing on them as well. Now when you take a look at the car, even though it's on standard suspension, because it's had that body kit fitted, it just changes the complete external appearance. I like the AMG front grille that's been fitted. Now this car has the 360 camera system as well by Mercedes. We've got a panoramic roof. We've got the stealth side steps, which when you look at the actual wheel arches on the car, they just mould into the side steps. The rear wheel arches as well, they're 3 pieces, and then that just nicely comes round to the rear bumper spoiler, and then we get the quad exhaust tail tips. Now the exhaust system's a standard exhaust, so it doesn't mess around with the sound, but just look at the back end of that car. Anybody would think that that was a fire-breathing V8 petrol engine, when it's not. It's just the standard 250 2-litre petrol engine. It's married to that silky smooth gearbox that Mercedes have, but the Night Edition has the complete black exterior, so the trims around the windows are black, the roof bars are black, everything it's just wonderful, isn't it? Just take a look at it. I don't think there is a car or a kit that looks as good as that. Now Auto Vogue, if you look on their website, they do quite a lot. They do the Velars, they do the GLCs, they do the Evokes, but in my opinion that has got to be one of the best looking cars on the road today. Family, fits 5 in. Inside then, when we open the door, we've got the full black leather interior. We've got heated seats, we've got power folding door mirrors. Standard, obviously, we've got the satellite navigation, keyless start. Now this car's only done 18,581 miles, so very, very low mileage indeed. Panoramic opening sunroof, so you get the front roof opens over the back roof. We've got the 2 keys, we've got the service documentation. A truly, truly wonderful and very, very nice looking car. Now it's just arrived. I don't intend it being here long, because where can you compare that car on the market today? Very, very rare and highly desirable. So give us a shout if it's one for you. Dom's on the camera, I'm Graham, we've got Lee. But thanks for watching the video, and we look forward to your inquiry.